Hey, welcome everyone. This is Control, and as usual, let me just disable this. Okay, because I hear my voice. Okay, now it's good. Okay, so welcome everyone. This is Control, and as usual, we're gonna do some lead code or a coding challenge video. So this is day 55, and as usual, we're gonna do some lead code problems, and I think from now, so as you see, we are on the Linux OS. So I think we're gonna include some project. So I recently did some projects that I'm very excited to show it to you. So for the moment, this could draw and we do a coding day challenge until I get a job or internship. This is my GitHub. I'm very glad to follow me on it. So for the new ones, don't forget to follow me on it. You can find my other social media account in the YouTube bio. So this is my LinkedIn, this is my GitHub, this is my Instagram, and recently we opened up a Discord server that you're all free to join it anytime you want. So without further ado, let's go to the lead code problems. Okay, so lead code problems. So we already did 58 of 75 A audio focused for me. Yeah, I think because I switched up the in the Linux OS, and I has a new and I have a new OBS Studio configuration. So the OS is Linux Debian. It's Debian distribution. Okay, so we already did a 58 of 75 lead code problems, and we're gonna continue doing it. So from every category or coding pattern, which distro, it's Debian distribution. Okay, so just let me take that off because we don't actually. And I think today I'm gonna 2 pointers. Let's do this sliding window because it's really a interesting pattern. So we already did those problems about the sliding windows, and we're gonna continue doing this. So do I have my textbook? Like I have a paper which I have resume on it. Okay, this is it. So this is the sliding window pattern. I already explained it in the previous videos. So it's gonna help me doing this problem. Okay, so is the text. Let's bring our whiteboard. Okay. So this is it. Let me just put it like this and put this like that. Oh, Mozilla Firefox is much better. It's much better actually, and this like much spacey, you know. Okay, so given a binary, so this problem is longest subarray of ones after deleting one element. Okay, so given a binary array nums, you should delete one element from it, return the size of the longest non-empty subarray containing only ones in the resultant array, return 0 if there is no such subarray. Okay, so we're gonna return the size of subarray containing only ones. Okay. Okay, so we have 1, 1, 0, and 1. We have longest subarray of 3 ones after deleting only one element, which is the 0. Okay, so after deleting the number in position 2 contain 3 numbers. Okay, so nums equal 0. I think we're gonna delete this. Yeah, so output 5, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 5, 5. The number of it, number of longest subarray. Okay, so other than the number in the position 4, which is this, two, you must delete one element. Oh, even if we have like no zeros, we have 3 ones. We have to delete one element. Doesn't matter if it's 0 or 1. The thing that matter that it's okay. The tablet is working. Okay. So I think this is not the hard. So oh, why is this so thick? Yeah, that's cool. Okay. Let me take the second example. So 0 1 1 1 0 and 1 1 and 0 and 1. Okay. So we have to iterate through this list, and after we delete the 0 at the index 4, I think, so 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8, after deleting the element here in the 4, we will have 5 longest subsequent or sublist or subarray of ones. For that we're gonna return 5. Okay, if not we're gonna return 0. Okay. Okay, so I think this is not that hard. I think we're gonna so the first like basic thing, we're gonna start by 2 pointers, which is left and right, and then we're gonna no, that's not it. What the fuck? Why Control Z is working like Control A? The language, is it the keyboard? Interesting. Okay, so we're gonna move with the right. I think whenever we find a zero, we're gonna move with the right. Maybe you can do something like the split function in Py to split on the basics of 0 and then return the 2 consecutive subs array that have the longest len. I really don't know, because the complexity is the complexity of your function in the Python. It's like on or greater, because I think the sliding window pattern will have the time complexity of on. So I really don't know about your function. And let's just think of it algorithmically, yeah? Not just with functions. Okay, so I think whenever I'm gonna find a 0, I'm gonna okay, so I'm gonna initialize a 0, no, not this. I'm gonna initialize a 0 variable, which is called zeros. This will be 0. Whenever I find what's the name of it? Whenever nums of L equal or right. Whenever the nums of right equal 0, I'm gonna make plus zeros. We're gonna add the zeros plus 1. On power 2, I think. Okay, we're gonna try to work it with on. Okay, with this slider. So here this variable will hold the number of zeros, and I'm gonna iterate it, and how am I gonna iterate it? I think I'm gonna make the right. I'm gonna iterate it with the right. Okay, so this is the right. The 0 now will be 1. Now the 0 will be 1. Okay, now the 0 will be 1. 1, 2, 3, and now it will be in this iteration it will be 2. No, not like this. Now it will be 2. Okay, and we're gonna continue iterating. This is it. Okay, so if it's 2, because we're gonna only delete 1, we're gonna see if the left plus plus is 1 or not. If it's 1, we're gonna if it's 0, we're gonna make it left plus plus. So if this 0, the left will like increment by 1 to be the start 1. It's not gonna like stop in the 0. And if it's not, if it's already 1, it's gonna stay at 1. Okay, and then we're gonna continue, and now the number of zeros, and we're gonna decrement the number of zeros. Okay, so the number of zeros now will be 1. We'll return to 1. Okay, we'll continue iterating. So R is 1. We're good. Now it will be 2. The number of zeros. The number of zeros now will be 2. Hey, what's up, man? Welcome to stream. As long as it 2, we're gonna check VL. If the L is 0, we're gonna iterate it plus 1, and if it's not, which is our case, we're simply gonna make we're simply gonna like return R minus L plus 1. What was R minus L plus 1, or no, 7 minus 1, 6. R minus L minus 1. I'm not really finding it. I think this logic is good. I think it's not bad. Okay. What I think I'm gonna initialize a max ans, and after all that, after the for loop, no, not after, just before closing it, the ans will be every time. The ans will be the max enter between ans and right minus L. Oh, you're not seeing it. Okay, so I'm gonna switch the. Okay, now it's good. Now I think it's good. So the ans will be mat.sum. Everything's good now? Yeah, we're good. Okay, so okay, we'll start coding. Okay, now this is good. This is not bad. I like this better than like OperaJX. OperaJX is so like fancy and pretty, man. But this is like so functional, you know. Okay, so we'll define two variables, which is int ans equals 0 and zeros. I have zeros equals 0. And now we're gonna start iterating. Okay, and after all this we're gonna return ans. Oh, so if we don't, like, if the max is not a number greater than 0, we're gonna simply return the 0, which is the case if there is no like sub-array after deleting one element. Okay. Can I make like two variables loop for loop in Java? Okay, is this? Oh, no. Oh, I can make it actually. Oh, I can make it. Yes, I can. Okay. So I'm gonna make int left, which is the first pointer, and int right equals 0, which is the left pointer, and now what's the the right has to end and dot nums dot length. Okay, and r plus plus, and now this. Okay, make it like this to see better. Okay, is it good? Is it like? I think you're not seeing anything. Okay, so I'm gonna simply make this on, and can't I? No. Okay, okay, this is better. I think this is better. Yeah, this is good. So what are we gonna do? Let's make this here. Okay, now good. Okay, so if nums of r equal 0, then I'm gonna increment 0. Okay, so if nums of r, where are you from? I'm from Tunisia. What do you want, bro? Fine, thank you. Welcome stream, by the way. So now we're doing lead code challenge or lead code problem. So we're working on the longest subarray of ones after deleting one element. So if nums of r equal 0, then we're simply gonna plus the zeros, as we said. Okay, and then okay, so we'll have this condition also if 0 is equal 2 or equal 1. So I think it's the while. We're gonna make it while because it can be like multiple times, you know. So I think while is here, but is this gonna make the complexity on2? I'm not really sure. Okay, no problem. Let's just continue doing this. Okay, while please remove extra space on line 3. I'm going crazy. Extra space on line 3. This? Okay. No worries. Okay, while 0 is equal to what are we gonna do? We're gonna decrement the number of zeros and check if L. Okay, so if nums of L. Hey, hello, man. If nums of L equal 0. Okay, so I'm gonna make it this. Hey, thank you, man. I'm gonna decrement, I think. Decrement the zeros. Decrement the zeros and I think we have to increment the L. We have to increment the L. Okay, so I'm gonna make it plus plus. And now ons will be the mat. Do I have to? No, I don't think we have to import this. Between ons and left, right minus left. Yeah. And then return ons. Is this good? Okay, so the run is here. Oh, it's not. Can't I? Oh, like can't I print end here? I don't think this is the case. It is it is okay, I'm gonna do I have to like increment the two numbers, like the two elements? Okay, so it's int L and R equals 0 also. R is lower than nums.len. Okay. It's not -1. And here R++. I only need this. Oh, okay. Are we good? Yeah, we are. It's only 3 minutes. We need to update streams. I'm gonna make it today. After like this lead code problem. I'm only gonna show the last project I worked on. I'm not gonna really start developing, but I think tomorrow I'm gonna pick a project and work on it. Okay, so I think we're good. Let's just submit this. If it's work, it's gonna be epic, man. It does! Yeah, it does, and here it's 24 minutes. Yeah, and the runtime is very good, actually. Yeah. Let's see the complexity. It's ON. It's very good. It's very good, man. It's so dope. Okay, so I think this stream today will be light. It's not gonna be happy to hear that. Keep going. Hey, thank you, man. Are you in college? Yeah, I am in second year of software engineer. I'm in university. Hey, hello, man. Welcome to stream. Okay, so we already did this sliding window lead code problem. Um, okay, so we're gonna do something a little bit different. So let me just get rid of this and pull out the. Okay, so where is the what is it? What is the project I'm working on? Okay, home is. What is it? It's here. Okay. Okay, so let's get rid of this. It is here. So I'm working on this project. So it's the Laravel and React and Inertia project. So I have a congratulations. I'm a freshman on similar journey to. Hey, thank you, man. How much do they say topic? You know. I don't really know how much. Like I did those read codes. Let me just show it to you. So we already did those two, the top pointers, the sliding window, prefix sum, the set, the stacks, queue, linked list, binary tree, DFS and BFS, the binary search tree, the graph DFS and graph BFS, priority queue, binary search, backtracking, the DP, the dynamic programming, 1D and 2D, some bit manipulation, some try, and this is like the left. So I think I'm not bad. Okay. Okay. So let's get back to our project. So I have a project to present it tomorrow in the uni. So I have a homework. So it's the Laravel. It's a project management actually web project. So we're gonna discover it. I only finished it today. Okay, so let's bring this here. Here, let me just run the server. Okay, so artisan serve, and here the npm random. Okay, so as I said, it's a Laravel and React project. Okay, so you're in the path to get high pension. Hey, thank you, man. So this it's divided to three main folders or main elements. It has project, and every project has tasks, and every task and project is related or belongs to a user. So okay, so I'm gonna open it here. Why is this not working? Okay, so I'm gonna exceed it from here. Okay, so this is good. Okay, so as you see, this is the landing page of it. So we have here a dashboard, we have a projects, we have all tasks, and you have users and my tasks. So it's divided to 5 menus or 5 pages. It's with React, so it's one page, but the components are refreshing every time. So the dashboard contains 3 types of tasks, which are the pending task, in progress task, and completed task, and those are the new tasks. So here we have this whole project is about project management. So for every user has projects, and to each project we have tasks. So if we're going to the project, so those projects are from the database seeder. How long are you doing the essay and dev? It's for 1 year, 1 year and a half. Yeah. So those are from the database seeders. Those are just lorem ipsum text to just test the project, and I added this project. So if you are like connected, I'm now connected with the test 2 users. So as you see, we have 2 users. I'm now connecting with the test 2 users. If I want to add a new project, so I'm gonna add a new. I'm gonna like on this. Let's just okay, it's a diagram class. So I'm gonna make this name. So it's project. I'm gonna call it 9. Okay, give it any description. Give it a date, a delay date or like project deadline, and we select status. There is 2 status. Drop your Twitter account, man. I want some tips about DSA. I really don't have like a Twitter, but I have a YouTube. I have in the YouTube channel, in my YouTube channel, in the bio, you're gonna see the. Okay, so what is this? So in my YouTube bio, you're gonna find all my social medias. I have LinkedIn, GitHub, Instagram. Follow me on any of these platforms, and you're welcome, man. Okay, so let's get back to the website. So this is the deadline. We have 3 status which are pending, in progress, and completed. We're gonna submit the one. Okay, so this is submitted. Now it's pending, and this is a table of all the projects. We can filter it by, we can sort it actually by the ID. So this is now sorting by ascending, and this is now sorting by descending by ID. We can sort them by name. We can sort them by status. Create ad, but I'm gonna sort them by ID. We can actually filter them. So we have 2 filters which are filtered on the status and filter on the name. So we can filter the pending. We're gonna see only the pending project, or in the progress project, or the all, and we can by name too. So this is the filter by name and by status. And we have the pagination. So the most, or like the best thing that I learned in React, or like in any the framework of frontend, that's the pagination. If you have like 1000 product or 1000 object or JSON object to show it to the user, you're not gonna like send it all to the server one at a time. So if I have here 1000 project, I'm gonna divide it into like 10 project, and every time the user want to see his project, he's gonna go into the pages. So this is the page 2, page 3, page 4, and in every page we're gonna see 10 like project. Okay, as I said, so in this project we're gonna like display the its information, and you can edit it from here. And here we have all tasks. So each task belong to a project. So like if I click on this task, so this task is belongs to this project, which we can click on it, and this is the project. And for every project, you're gonna see under it the table of its tasks. Okay, so if you want to see the task of this project, you're gonna find it in the project. Also, I have users, which are the users. I can edit them, which is something it's not good, because you have to like you can't actually change the password of the users, and you have to make them like confirm this password and all things. But I didn't really include that feature, because I really don't have time. I have to like present it tomorrow. Hey, thank you, man. And my tasks, if I have tasks, that's only gonna show me only my tasks, which are this, and I can filter them, I can sort them, yeah, and this is it. Like it's a beginner friendly Laravel and React project in Asia, but I really did like a good job with it, and I really learned from it a lot. So this is the code. I'm gonna like show you the code a little bit. So the arborescence is divided to the GS component, which are the, like I said, the project and the task and the user. Those are like similar to they are very similar, but some details are modified. And for the controllers, this is the notifications, and this is the controllers. So for every object, or like the profile, task, and user, they're talking through the functionality helps a lot. Yeah, I'm gonna talk about now. Okay, so in the dashboard controller, I have only like a mistake about these users. So this user method is not that is not working well, but the project is doing good. If it's work, leave it. Okay, so we have the for every we have three objects, which are the projects and the task and the users. So for everyone, you have the control, like the MVC architecture. For every control, we have the index. So we're gonna make a query to select the project, then this to sort it, and this to sort it by direction, and this to sort it by field. Okay, so this is it, and then we're gonna return with inertia the project index. This is the project resource. So the resource is the attributes of it. So for every project, you have ID, name, description, the time created, the image they created. I have followed you on Instagram, messaged you, but you didn't reply. I really didn't see you. Okay, I'm gonna see it after the stream. Okay. So the resource is the attributes of every object. So for the project, you have this. For the task, we have, it's very similar to it, but it's like there is 2 or 3 attributes added, which are assigned users and is assigned user ID. We have the user CRUD resource, which is the attribute of the user, which are the ID, name, email, and the created at. This carbon is for the date. Hey, nice to meet you. Hey, thank you, man. Welcome to stream. And the user resource, as I said. Now we have the now back to the controllers. So for the profile, for example, we have the basic CRUD like functionalities, which are the edit. We're gonna simply return. We have to catch the request which object we're gonna edit. So with this request, we're gonna make it to the inertia and edit it from it. And this is and this request comes from which we are in the profile. Okay, so profile update request. So the request came from here. So we're gonna make, if we want to edit, we're gonna have to select the name because it's required. We're gonna have to make it string, and the max of it's like this. The email also it's required string, lowercase email, and the rules. And this is the store request, store, this for the task, this from the user. So everything is related to itself. So the thing is, we begin with the models, which are the attributes of everyone, which are here. This is the model of the project. This is the model of the tasks. So it's fillable, it's attributes, and this is the model of the users. Are you making project? Yeah, I'm already talking about my newest project. Here is my profile, man. Okay, thank you. So I think you cannot send links in the chat. I really don't know why. I'm gonna modify it. After the models, we have the view, and the view or the component. Okay, but with that we have the controls, which is which every controller has the edit, update, destroy, and the show. I think, yeah, index, create, store, show. Yeah, we have show and update, destroy. but that's this the my task. So my the task has a bonus control, which is my task to render the like the information to my tasks, to see my tasks component. Yeah, so it's paginate 10, and yeah, this is the user controller. And finally, every like JSON data, it's going to be on those component. This is the dashboard. So on the dashboard we have this table, and we have also those the progress tasks, the total pending. So every like div, this is a div, this is a div, this is a div. So every div is repeated 3 times. So this is the first, the second, and the third. And then we have the project, and then we're gonna map the tasks information. Okay, here is my name. Okay, I'm gonna follow you, man. Okay. Yeah, this is it. It has some like to be modified a little bit with the text color and thing, but in general it's not that bad. Yeah, and every component is rendering in the app, so every React developer know this. This is the welcome to like to okay, I'm gonna show it to you. So if I log out, I'm gonna make the user 2 okay, so I think this is false. Okay, I'm gonna log in with the data seeder thing. So I forgot the passwords. Database seeder. Okay, so this is my email. Okay, so this is the second user, which I have the pending task and all this. So as I said, this is the database and welcome. This is the welcome page, what I like showed you early. And yeah, this is all. I'm very happy to know your opinion about it. What do you think? It would be great if you change your website color. Yeah, I'm gonna change it later, and I'm gonna show it to you tomorrow. Yeah, thank you. So I think this is it. So we're like entering a new era of type of video. I think I'm gonna like divide the time to work on a lead code problem first, and then make a project or like web dev stream. I will be very happy to know your opinion about it. Hey chat, what are your opinion about it? Are you learning GenAI? I'm not really, but I'm planning to do it. I'm learning just a basic AI. Okay, so I think I'm gonna like end the stream here. So as I said, this is my YouTube channel. This is Draw. Don't forget to follow me on it. Don't forget to like this video if you want me to make a more content like this. I'm waiting for your web dev project soon. Enjoy. Hey, thank you, man. I'm gonna start from tomorrow. No worries. So this is my this is the channel Draw. I'll be very happy if you subscribe to it. I hope you like this video. Yeah, I'm gonna build project those. So this is my social media account. You can follow me on an every time, anytime you want. I will be very happy to connect with you on it. So this is my LinkedIn, this is my GitHub, this is my Instagram. And as I said, you can join my Discord. The Discord community is so like helpful and cute and cute. So so I think I'm gonna end the stream here. Thank you everyone. Hope you liked this video. If you liked it, press the like button, and see you tomorrow as usual. So good night everyone.